it's Elle and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. We are going to be talking a little bit about lashes. I get questions all the time about curling the lashes, that it never works for you guys, and so I have a new tool for you that might be of interest. So before we go on, hit that subscribe button, give me a little thumbs up, share this with someone that you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, so today is in collaboration with my beautiful friends at Mirenesse. Mirenesse actually came out with this heated eyelash curler. Now, I have been actually using this for a couple of months now, and when I first got it, I've actually used eyelash curlers that are heated for a long time in my kit. But when I started using this, I thought to myself, you know, this might actually be really good for somebody that has not either found an eyelash curler that works for them, or your eyelashes are so straight that you need a little bit of extra help. So I thought that it would be fun to do a little collaboration video with them and feature this heated eyelash curler. All right, so let's jump into this. So curling your lashes is something that I honestly will not go without doing on myself and clients. But for a lot of people, they have a hard time finding an eyelash curler that will fit their eyes, or that your eyelashes just won't stay curled. So another idea is using this eyelash curler. So what you do, it's very simple and it's very safe. By the way, I want to start this out. A lot of people have a little bit of fear from these. I used to use the one that was straight, and you'd have to like push everything up, and it never worked, and it just didn't, it took forever. So what you do is you put 2 batteries in here. This little red part turns clear when it's ready. The little on button is right on the side here, and then this little green button right here just turns on so you can know. So this heats up in about, I'd say, 2 or 3 minutes. But what I like to do is, you can use this tip actually with your traditional eyelash curler, or specifically with a heated eyelash curler, is use a eyelash primer, okay? Let's do that. So the reason why we use an eyelash primer is because A, it's going to help protect our lashes, it's going to give them more volume, it's going to help the mascara adhere here better, as well as it's going to help hold the curl more. So we're going to apply, just apply your favorite eyelash primer, and I'm just going to do one eye and I'm going to show you the difference. So I'm just going to apply my eyelash primer while my eyelash curler is heating up. So eyelash primer is on, and you're going to let that dry for just a couple of seconds, because you don't want to go right in from your eyelash curler on to your primer. So now you've seen that the eyelash curler has turned from pink to white. This is just like a curling iron that you would use on your hair, but that you use it on your eyelashes. It's the same hair. So all you do is, this little guy right here goes up and down. That's how you close it. I love this because this part sits in your crease. So what you do is, that's where it sits, okay? That's really important to know that. So what you're gonna do is, you're just gonna put it on like you normally would with any other eyelash curler. All right, so we're gonna go in like this. Gonna pop these eyelashes in, get you real close here so you guys can see. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna try to get to your, and I'm lifting up my eyelid just a little bit by pushing up on the tool. And then all you do is you push up and you bring your arm up. So I'm bringing my elbow up at an angle. And this does not feel hot. It feels a little bit warm, but it doesn't feel hot. It's not burning me. And I leave this on between 10 to 20 seconds. So that's exactly what we are going to do. Do, 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 do. And I press this up pretty firmly, all right? And just like I would do with a normal eyelash curler, is I curl it once and then I curl it again. That's between the 2 eyes for one time. Awesome, right? And by heating the eyelashes up, again, get those ends in there, pull up a little bit and push. Now by heating your eyelashes, it's going to help hold the curl for longer, okay? So instead of just doing a regular eyelash curler that is not heated, this will help you hold that curl a lot longer. There we go. Eyelashes are curled. Perfect. And it doesn't, you know, doesn't scrunch them up. It doesn't do anything. And you can also, if you want to, what I sometimes do with a regular curling, regular eyelash curler is come away from the base a little bit and curl just the tips, not just the tips, but like mid-shaft area. And this is actually sometimes what we recommend when we're doing it with clients, is you do a nice curl at the base and then you do a curl mid-shaft. And what that does is it makes it not so straight up with the curl. It actually makes it kind of go at a natural curvature, and it really gets the ends of the lashes as well. So all you would do is put mascara on. I am using the Mirenesse ICurl. This is actually a tubing mascara. And what I mean by tubing mascara is that it actually goes on, whoops, I got a little bit on the eye there, fix that. What a tubing mascara means is that it goes on the eyelashes in a tube. So it can't flake and it can't smear. I hope that that makes sense. I've talked about tubing mascaras quite a bit on my channel for people that are contact wearers, that have problems with their mascara smudging, or that they have problems with touching their eyes a lot. This mascara is perfect for people like that. And I love to use this mascara on the bottom lashes because, again, my lashes on the bottom are kind of long, and when it is hot outside or humid or I'm sweating, my mascara will run. And so I usually, you've actually heard me talk about this quite a few times, I have to use two mascaras, a tubing one on the bottom and then whatever else I want on top. But so this kind of serves two purposes. So this is the difference between the two eyes. All right, so both eyes are done. I think you obviously can see the difference. And this might be a really great option for you guys if you cannot get those darn lashes to curl. So I do want to thank Mirenesse for sponsoring me on this video, because I absolutely do love their line of cosmetics. And this is just a fun, different tool that might be a great option for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be a little discount link in the description box that is non-affiliated. So thank you guys again. I really appreciate you guys being here. Let me know if you guys have tried heated eyelash curlers in the description box. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Mwah. Bye, you guys.